Jali's bespoke furniture kits are available in a range of finishes. Adjust them in the Finish menu and click the link for more details. Options include a palette of premium quality top coat paint colours with a satin sheen finish. From vibrant tones to cool white shades, the professionally curated range has you covered. The paint itself is water-based and eco-friendly. For a more natural aesthetic, you might prefer a genuine woodgrain veneer. This offers a modern and minimal feel, as well as a hint of traditional woodworking. The wood can be treated on-site to achieve a wide range of authentic styles. For customers who require versatility, choose white primer. This base allows for the best possible finish if you intend to paint your furniture on-site. For example, you might want to guarantee an exact match with other room colours. Finally, the natural finish is the most affordable option. Intended for the ultimate DIYer, these kits arrive in their raw MDF and may require sanding before finishing touches can be applied.